Greetings everybody from Bangkok. We're here at the inaugural session of the CXO Circle. We're here with the co-CEO of Infinite Uptime, Karthik Natarajan. Welcome. We've had some exposure to some awesome tools for plans and maintenance. Maybe I'd like to understand a little bit better what is a customer journey to start to finish where you see it, particularly in the context of ways to have that closed loop feedback that you've presented today.
Thank you, Lucian. Thanks for making it today. Really appreciate your Q&A. And just to answer your question, see, we kind of engage the customers to help to improve the plant reliability, and which is a combination of equipment, which is assets, plus process. How do you think we combine them and also enable them with prescriptive AI recommendations, which will assure them a clarity on the production outcomes? Let me step back and give a view of what we are saying. Right? It's not a question of we trying to just solve an AI problem. We are solving a domain problem, and domain plus prescriptive AI plus production outcomes. We are integrating domain plus tech plus business. I think that's the way in which we want to be seen as. We work with customers on the plant level and in terms of helping them to enhance their availability of assets and equipments. But over a period of time, we want to really create the user journey or customer journey to encompass what I would call it as semi-autonomous or autonomous plant operations. And this will encompass multitude of things, including their availability, OEE, productivity, quality, sustainability, energy consumption, all being integrated. I think that's a roadmap that we are working with our customers on.
Got it. And we'll double click on a roadmap right away. I'd like to double click a little bit on your differentiator for the market. So give us a couple of pointers there.
Yeah, I think Infinite Uptime is not a hardware or a sensor company, nor a dashboard company. So we believe in providing an outcome which is enabled by prescriptive AI, which is more than monitoring plus diagnosis plus prescriptive and outcomes, all combined in one. So you will find Infinite Uptime to be very differentiated compared to many peers in this market or legacy vendors in this market who have hardware solutions or who have hardware plus IoT solutions, and they do not have something which is as comprehensive and combined with customer validation that makes it absolutely compelling proposition for all the process manufacturing clients.
Got it. And I want to double click on a customer validation that was discussed today. You've had a closed loop feedback that essentially captures the customer value, hearing from the horse's mouth, kind of like what the value was for them for leveraging a software solution like yours. So very different from what I could see there as well. So thank you for bringing that. Now, fast forward, I'd like to understand a little bit your roadmap for the next 3 years with Infinite Uptime.
Yeah, so I think what we have done so far is just the beginning of the journey. And our intent is to keep expanding both on technology roadmap that we are putting into play. The ambition is to become enabler for full autonomous to semi-autonomous plant operations. And the second aspect is to expand, can Infinite Uptime create Plant GPT, which could potentially be equivalent of Chat GPT for the plant operations. People can converge or converse in the native language, and that is going to really make the user interface to be a lot more stronger and powerful, and also make our solutions to be ready for broader process manufacturing clients, including oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, and agriculture and fertilizer industries, where you need to work in a very harsh environment. At the same time, you want to improve the production availability and ensure you are able to improve the production reliability and creating the production outcomes that we promise.
Got it. Now, a lot of people have gone on this journey of semi-automatic, fully autonomous plant, and maybe have even scars for not getting there. How are you planning to articulate that's going to be different this time? I know you seem to have the solution, particularly based on your user validation.
Yeah, so we kind of believe in two things that are going to stand out, which is the prescriptive AI and outcomes guaranteed. I think this is a terrific combination if you really do it right. And anything we do, like the plant equipment availability being prescribed with recommendations, we started doing for the process reliability side now. And anything we'll add to our portfolio will all be driven on two foundation pillars, the prescriptive and the outcome confirmed.
Got it. Now, outcome confirmed. Double click a little bit on what does that mean? Are you guaranteeing via a contract that you are actually delivering these outcomes within the next year or 3 years and so on?
Yeah, so I think our intent is to really guarantee at least 2% energy reduction and from the plants, and also ensuring that we want to give them more than 99% availability of all the equipments, and this is bare minimum. And we are working with few customers in risk and reward models where we really want to get paid to ensure that we beat those targets and we really get value for what we are generating to our clients.
Got it. Thank you so much, Karthik, for your time. And if your audience have questions, feel free to leverage the hashtag on a screen. Or better yet, hopefully we'll have you soon at one of our online events for manufacturing.
Oh, absolutely. Look forward to. Thank you so much, Lucian, for coming down and being part of this. Thank you.
Thank you.